so we're back to our next lesson. This time I will explain about the first thing we should do before start retouching. The choice of canvas size is very important to ensure the quality of our edit is clear and excellent. Ibis has provided all the ratio we need with various sizes, so we just have to choose. And I suggest we use 2K resolution because it speeds up our work and the quality also nice. If you have a good device, maybe you can use 3K or 4K resolution.
Select the lasso tool. For adjustment, we will start with head first. By using lasso, select all the head part. Duplicate it and then erase the actual head. Then remove selection area. Select the duplicate head and tap the adjustment button. Shrink your head according to the fit of your OC body. Tap the right mark when you're done. Next, we will adjust the body part. For the body part, we will use special tool. Move the hair to match the head. Next, we will adjust the body. Adjust the body as you like. It's better if you make it look like a normal human body. If there is a glitch like my picture, erase it. Combine the two pictures as we will adjust the body in more detail. Before that, I will explain the special tool brush one by one. The first is to move a part freely. If you want to move one part to another, this one is the best. Second is expand. It is used to enlarge some parts. Last one is shrink. It is used to shrink some parts. This also helps to create a folding effect on the clothes. Tap the filter tool. Go to adjust and then tap the brightness and contrast. Adjust brightness and contrast. It's to make your OC color stand out more. Then, go to hue, saturation and lightness. Add saturation to make the color more reddish. Next, go to blur part and choose unsharp mask. The unsharp mask will help to make your picture more clear. The radius must be only 2%, while the strength must be under 300%. Can you see the difference between before and after sharp? We will continue the next part on the next video.